today we're going to make cheese and chicken seekh kebabs on Be Inspired with Mother and Daughter channel. So let's get started with the ingredients. Chicken breast. We're using 4 medium-sized chicken breasts. You can use how many you want. Half a lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of salt. With this type of kitchen knife, cutting chicken breast is easier. Now cut into good chunks or pieces like this small pieces. So we're going to cut the rest exactly like this. Firstly, we're going to add in our half a lemon and salt to marinate the chicken with, and then we're going to wash it. By doing this, you take away the smell of the chicken that we don't like. Add your salt and then marinate it. Make sure you mix it all the way around and around the chicken. Now we're going to wash our chicken pieces in lukewarm water. We didn't leave it to rest or anything, we're just going to wash it. And now we're going to take out the chicken pieces. Make sure you squeeze out the water. Now we're going to blend our chicken pieces. Now you're going to blend it. As you can see, we have made it into chicken mince now. Now the chicken keema or mince is done. Now we're going to go on to the next step. So now for the next step, the ingredients we're using is ginger and garlic, 2 light brown fried onions, half a cup of coriander leaves. So we're going to blend all those ingredients together to make a paste. Our fried onions, so we're just blending all our ingredients together. Now we're taking out the paste. Now the ingredients you'll need is 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, a handful of dried red chilies. Now in a dry pan without any water or oil, we're going to roast our seeds. Make sure you stir them around so they don't get burnt. For 1 minute, just to release that flavour. Now we're going to crush the seeds, but we're not going to crush them into a fine powder. So as we can see, we just crushed the seeds. Now in exactly the same way we roasted the seeds, we're going to roast our besan or gram flour. So it's a 1/4 cup of gram flour or besan. So we've roasted our besan now. 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, a 1/4 cup of cheese, and finally salt to taste. Firstly, in a bowl, we're adding our chicken mince. We're basically going to mix all our ingredients together. The paste, the crushed seeds, the powdered masalas, the besan, the cheese, salt to taste, we're just adding that. Now combine the ingredients together. That's back together. Now with the seekh, we're just going to grease your hand with a little bit of oil and then apply it to the seekh and then get a tiny, like a handful of your mixture and wrap it around. Make sure you press on well. And then you're going to carefully slide it out and place on a tray. Now we're going to do the rest. Now, in a pan, we're going to shallow fry it by adding some oil that we're going to let heat up. If you don't prefer frying them, you can bake them in the oven. So if you're doing it in the oven, preheat your oven 20 minutes before, then bake until golden brown. Or you can shallow fry like this, it's up to you. Fry on a low flame. Make sure you carefully turn them around so each side is fried until golden brown. So here we have our chicken and cheese seekh kebab. It's very tasty and delicious. You can enjoy it with ketchup or yogurt or mayonnaise, any sauce you like. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks, bye.